Hello everyone! Today we will learn midpoint. M is the midpoint of the line AB. The coordinates of the midpoint M are 7,2. The coordinates of the point B are 11,8. Find the coordinates of the point A. We will answer this question. Coordinate A, let's say X, Y, M equal to X at 11/2, comma, Y at A/2. This is equal to 7,2. So we have X at 11/2 equal to 7. X equal to X at 11 equal to 7 times 2. This is equal to 14. X equal to 14 subtract 11 equal to 3. We will find Y. Y at 8/2 equal to 2. Y at 8 equal to 2 times 2. This is equal to 4. So we get Y equal to 4 subtract 8 equal to -4. So coordinate A is 3, -4. This is the answer. We will see the graph. This is A, 3, -4, M 7,2, and B 11,8. Thank you for watching.